Hey everyone, imagine this. You're in the middle of nowhere and disaster strikes. You reach for your bug out bag, but does it have what you need? Today I'm comparing a $50 bug out bag with a $500 premium one. Let's dive in. First up, the $50 bag. It's packed with essentials. We've got a water filter, first aid kit, fire starter, and knife. It's lightweight and compact, ideal for beginners. But remember, you get what you pay for. The gear is functional but not built to last. Now let's upgrade to the $500 premium bag. This baby is loaded with high-quality gear. Think multi-tool, tactical flashlight, advanced water filtration, and a professional-grade first aid kit, plus extras like a portable stove and a down sleeping bag. The materials are top-notch, designed to withstand harsh conditions. So, which one's for you? It depends on your needs and budget. Both bags have their place in the world of survival prepping. Hit the like button if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more survival tips and gear reviews. Stay prepared, stay safe, and see you next time.